Question number 1. What gas do plants need to perform photosynthesis? The correct answer is option A, carbon dioxide. Question number 2. Which state is called the last frontier? The correct answer is option D, Alaska. Question number 3. Who is the first Indian woman in space? The correct answer is option B, Kalpana Chawla. Question number 4. Which element has the chemical symbol Na? The correct answer is option D, sodium. Question number 5. Who wrote the Diary of a Young Girl? The correct answer is option C, Anne Frank. Question number 6. Which planet is known for its rings? The correct answer is option A, Saturn. Question number 7. Which country is known as the land of festivals? The correct answer is option B, India. Question number 8. Where is Himalayan Mountaineering Institute located? The correct answer is option A, Darjeeling. Question number 9. Which Indian city has been declared as World Heritage Site City by UNESCO recently? The correct answer is option A, Ahmedabad. Question number 10. Where is the International Court of Justice located? The correct answer is option D, Hague, Netherlands. Question number 11. Which pair of cities in India is known as the Twin Cities? The correct answer is option D, Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Question number 12. Who was the first woman IAS officer of India? The correct answer is option A, Annarajam Malhotra. Question number 13. Which city is known as the Queen of Arabian Sea? The correct answer is option C, Kosi. Question number 14. Which is the biggest library in the world? The correct answer is option B, Library of Congress. Question number 15. Which city is known as the City of Seven Hills? The correct answer is option C, Rome. Question number 16. Which country is the leading producer of diamonds? Which country is the leading producer of diamonds? The correct answer is option B, Russia. Question number 17. Which is the world's lightest satellite launched by NASA recently? The correct answer is option C, Kalamsat. Question number 18. What is the theme of 2017 National Youth Day? The correct answer is option A, Youth for Digital India. Question number 19. Which is the first country to make a constitution? The correct answer is option D, United States. Question number 20. Where is the headquarters of Sahitya Academy located? The correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Question number 21. Who is the current Chief Election Commissioner of India as of 2025? The correct answer is option A, Ganesh Kumar. Question number 22. Who was the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna? The correct answer is option C, Indira Gandhi. Question number 23. When is the World Tourism Day observed? The correct answer is option D, 27th of September. Question number 24. Where is India's first floating post office established? The correct answer is option B, Dal Lake, Srinagar. Question number 25. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? The correct answer is option C, Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 26. How much of Earth's surface is covered by forest? The correct answer is option A, 31%. Question number 27. Which state has the largest coastline in India? The correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Question number 28. What is the name of the currency of Belgium? The correct answer is option B, Euro. Question number 29. Who was the first Indian woman to receive Janki Award? The correct answer is option D, Ashapurna Devi. Question number 30. Who is the brand ambassador of Jharkhand tourism? The correct answer is option A, Mahendra Singh Dhoni.